Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by grabbing the Beats Solo 4.3, 5mm cable and the Ps5 dual sense controller. Make sure Beats are powered off or Bluetooth is disabled so audio defaults to wired. Once the controller is on and paired to the console, plug the 3.5mm cable firmly into Beats and the controller's headset jack. This forces the Ps5 to use the wired audio path. You're bypassing the console's unsupported Bluetooth audio stack and guaranteeing low-latency game sound. Once the wired connection is in place, go into Ps5 settings, then sound. Change output device to headphones connected to controller and set output to headphones to all audio so both game and chat come through. Next, adjust volume control, headphones, to a comfortable level and tweak microphone settings if you need voice. Make sure the controller's input is selected because the Ps5 routes headset audio through that jack. This is why wired connection is reliable and immediate compared with unsupported Bluetooth pairing. To finish, play something and listen for game and chat audio. If you hear nothing, unplug and firmly reseat the 3.5mm cable. Verify you're using a TRS/TRRS cable that supports both audio and mic as needed. Also restart the Ps5 and check controller firmware updates. If issues persist, consider a Ps5-compatible USB audio dongle as an alternative, but remember the guaranteed, only universally supported method is wired through the controller. That's why you start there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.